I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is a money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the.
Welcome to my channel, you guys. So today we're going to be doing a frontal tutorial wig, and you're going to need a spandex dome wig cap with styling, script, wraps, and you're going to need needle and thread. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that we're done getting the frontal in place, we're going to begin sewing. Make sure to sew tight and make sure that the thread is together.
I can't get enough. I'm undecided, excited, ignited, and I don't wanna feel the way I do, but I like it. Look at all these sparks flying, but I'm still indecisive. And she want me to wipe it, but I'm undecided. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. There's something about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. There's something about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me better why. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my ta.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion.
Okay, so now we're about to begin sewing the tracks, and make sure to start all the way from the front of the frontal, so close together so that the frontal will be full.
If it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
It's me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me better why. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my ta. Seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds. Can you beat the shot clock? What you waiting on, look daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye. Better know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. Do it now, just do it now. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could bag that? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot clock.
Don't sleep, you gon' miss your opportunity.
Shot clock.
Don't sleep, nigga, pick up your feet. Nigga,
Shot
like,
clock.
don't sleep, you gon' miss your opportunity.
Shot clock.
Don't sleep, nigga, pick up your feet, my nigga.
5 years of dating, tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hating, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more.
Okay, so now you're finna notice me cutting the tracks and separating. The reason I did that because it's gonna make the frontal flatter. So that's why I did that.
Wasting my time with you. Okay. But you gotta have it your way. I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Tell the nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could bag that? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot clock.
Opportunity.
Shot clock.
Don't sleep, nigga, pick up your feet. Nigga,
Shot
like, don't sleep, you gon' miss your opportunity.
Shot clock. You got 24 seconds.
Pick up your feet, nigga. Like, don't sleep, you gon' miss your opportunity.
You gon' miss your opportunity.
Pick up your feet, my
Shot clock.
Down to sleep. Yeah, I pray to Lord my soul to keep. Yes. I got the keys. Yeah. Pull up, make all niggas bleed. I got what I like overseas. Bitch, how about I hit NBA? Bitch, how about I hit MVP? I got money, they envy me. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. Yeah, if you with the squad, I give you my heart, a nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons in the field, bitch, I'm deep in. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in. But I gave her back while you tweaking. Come around with that rah-rah. We leave you dead on the cement. With the game, we ain't playing fair. Matter of fact, we don't play at all. OG was in the air, but we better run till we smoke it all. Button on the front, boy, you better fall. We don't kill them dead, we don't kill them all. May spend a 10 when I'm in the mall. I was on the beam with it in my draw. Hit that smoking, I'm blacking. Hit that smoking, I black out. If he run, blow his back down. I was gone, but I'm back down. These niggas gon' fall, but I never back down. In the school, I was trapping. In the school, you was class clown. Hey, down the street. Yeah, I pray to Lord, my soul the key. Like a locksmith, I got the keys, yeah. Pull up, make all niggas bleed. Ay, I got water like overseas, yeah. Bitch, how about like NBA, yeah. Ay, bitch, how about like MVP, yeah. Ay, I got money, they envy me.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch from Mali. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane, blow up the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain, fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Who got this motherfucker started? God. Who took your bitch at the party? God. I took your bitch in the party. God. Who that be flags and Martian? God. Who that don't flick in the cut? God. Who got them freaks in the truck? God. Then diamonds go hit like a bitch on a bitchy ass bitch. Bitch, you a wanna be caught. Red bottom MJ moonwalk on a bitch. Moonwalking through your clique. I'm moonwalking in the 650 with the kick. Moonboxing this bitch. I'm from the motherfucking Bronx. I keep the pump in the trunk. Bitch, if you bad, then jump. Might leave your bitch in the slump. Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all